whatever I do here, it's divinely. Whatever, even sweeping the floor is divinely here. So I will go to Sacred Arts and work. But actually, if you see, many other people may know here, but many of them may not know what's happening there. But if you can relate Ujjain Kumbh Mela, then you can relate to Sacred Arts. See the number of deities they decorated there. It is so amazing. Almost of the 1 million people who attended, 25% of them attended Kumbh Mela, our camp. But I can see the glory. I was there in the Tamil Nadu stall for almost 10 days, and I can see the glory of each and everyone who entered. Till they left, we can see the glory. They have never seen such a decoration of deities all in one place. So that is really going to reflect in Sadashivoham. It is not there. We can see much more here in this place. But finally, I would like to conclude. It is a place now we experience, not only myself, my wife, my son, my daughter-in-law, my granddaughter is there in the Gurukul. We are actually experiencing living on Kailashaburi. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Nityanandam. My name is Ma Nitya Kalikananda, and today I want to share something which recently Swamiji has been sharing, that how Sadashiva himself is preparing for Sadashivoham 2016. If we read the vivid descriptions given in the Agamas, it starts with the mention of Sadashiva seated in Kailasa himself under the sacred banyan tree, and Devi is sitting beside him, and all the rishis, munis, enlightened disciples are surrounding him. And whatever comes out directly from the mouth of Sadashiva, from his vakra, from his mouth, and which enters the heart of Devi, that is Agama. And Swamiji, I can say from my experience that Sadashiva himself is preparing to reveal all these Agamas to all the participants of Sadashivam 2016 in all its glory. So all it needs from our side is to have the same inner space to receive the Agama. And Agama is the ultimate authority only because it is coming from the source, from Sadashiva himself. And in the Agamas, Sadashiva is very categorically clear that only when the Sadashiva himself comes down as the Guru Anugraha happens, only then the Shaktis of Sadashiva and the Guru Anugraha, which is his power of liberation, all this manifests only when he comes down in the Guru form. And we are so extremely fortunate to have Sadashiva himself embodied as the Guru happening and taking the Sadashivoham 2016. In the Agamas, all the Shaktis which are expressed and different tantras, I just would like to share a little bit about it. For example, Netra Tantra. This is an Agama where Sadashiva himself is revealing to Devi all the secrets of the third eye, the nature of the third eye, the powers which express, and how Sadashiva projects and liberates people, the living beings, through the third eye. And we can expect that Swamiji himself will be giving those initiations, those powers to the participants of Sadashivam 2016. And same way, different Agamas, Brigendra Agama, Raurav Agama, all these are direct words of Sadashiva. And like I mentioned, that it is only possible for the Guru energy to express these Shaktis and make us a living experience for all of us. So it is an extreme fortune for all of us, where it is not just going to be a happening of the Purana, the historical happening which we all will be part of, but it's going to be literally the Agamas, the revelations happening again. And it is for us to become part of that and experience, because it is not a happening of a lifetime. It's going to be a culmination of all our lifetimes put together, to be at the feet of Sadashiva himself and experience the glory of Sadashiva. It is so important to understand also that all the experiences which Swamiji himself has experienced right from childhood, where being with Arunagiri Yogeshwara himself, Sadashiva himself, and all the experiences which he has brought down with him to give it to all of us, will be expressed in all its glory, all his Apta Pramana experiences from his inner space. And those experiences are directly, not only correlation, but exactly revealed in detail through the complete precision, all the mandala formations which you will experience, all the Shaktis and the Diksha element. All these things can lead us to the direct space of oneness with Sadashivoham, which will be literally coming from the Shastra Pramana, the ultimate authority. So this is the only place. So, and that Apta Pramana, the experience from the Gurus and the experience of the revelations from the Agamas, and that we can all expect will become Sakshi Pramana, that is the direct experience of all the participants. So these 3-4 things happening at a time is not only rare, I think it's only happening on the planet Earth now. What happened ages back when Sadashiva is seated in Kailasha, now itself we can see that we have the same banyan tree here and Sadashiva seated here. So it just takes, we all need to have the heart, the opening. It is such a beautiful shloka in the Agama where it says that it is received from into the heart of Devi, and all the disciples seated there and receiving. So I welcome everyone to open your heart right now and allow that energy of Sadashiva to enter you and declare that you will be part of the Sadashivoham, because the whole existence itself is waiting for you to make this happen and experience it.
Like a school kid preparing for examination, I am sitting and preparing, reading all the Agamas. See, actually, I got the whole thing directly downloaded by Arunagiri Yogeshwara. He did not teach me systematically like a step by step. He will give the experience and straight download the Shastra into my system. So now I have to get that same Agama scriptures in printed form and organize it. The part I am going to reveal it to all of you in this Sadashivoham, those Shastra Pramana and Apta Pramana. Please understand, these 4 words need to be understood very clearly. Atma Pramana means my own enlightenment, experience and revelations. Shastra Pramana means what is available in the form of Veda and Agama. Only these 2 can be called as Shastra, nothing else. Puranas are all called only Smritis. So Veda and Agama, that is called Shastra Pramana. Apta Pramana means the enlightened beings who lived earlier, their experiences, the authentic commentaries, interpretations, footnotes, they generated from their experience, that is called Apta Pramana. Shastra Pramana, directly revealed by Sadashiva as Veda and Agamas. Apta Pramana, his close disciples like a Saptarishis, Patanjali, Abhinavagupta, all of their commentaries, interpretations, Bhashya, Vartika, Tika, all that literature, huge authentic literature, that is called Apta Pramana. Whatever is my experience as Atma Pramana, which is elaborately described in Shastra Pramana, which is attested and supported by Apta Pramana, I am making it as Sakshi Pramana to you. As reality. My own experience, Atma Pramana, verified by the Shastra Pramana, concluded guaranteed by Apta Pramana, which is the disciples and followers and great beings of Shaivite tradition or Sanatana Hindu Dharma, all these three, which is in tune with each other, becoming Sakshi Pramana, reality for you, is Sadashivoham 2016. Literally, I am going to be giving booklets after booklets for every process. For example, Sadashiva Garbha. With that Garbha, you will have a booklet, original Shastra, Shastra Pramana, Atma Pramana, Apta Pramana, a clear description of all these three about Sadashiva Garbha. And then the mandala you are going to sit. Clearly it is recorded in Netra Tantra and Mukutagama. The whole mandala is described. So that mandala picture and the original verse, what is Shastra Pramana about that mandala, what is Apta Pramana, like a great enlightened beings of the Sanatana Hindu Dharma, what they spoke and said about it, their interpretations or their experiences, then my own experience, Atma Pramana, will be presented to you and made into Sakshi Pramana. In every step, Jnananjana means Shastra Pramana, then Apta Pramana, then Atma Pramana, then how it is going to become Sakshi Pramana for you. Same way, Nityananda Yoga, Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana, how it is going to be Sakshi Pramana for you. You are going to be given books, manuals, booklets in printed form about everything which is going to be revealed to you. You can take it back and continue to manifest, experience, enjoy. As you know, I don't like the word practice. That's a 4-letter word for me. I always only use the word manifest. Manifest. So everything will be provided for you to continue to manifest even after you go back from the program as Sadashiva himself. See, it's like a you can see how the Shastra Pramana attested by Apta Pramana becomes Atma Pramana in Guru and becomes Sakshi Pramana in you. It's literally lived. The moment you come, from head to toe, the typical traditional Shaivite attire will be gifted to you. From the dress to the Rudraksha to the Kantamala with Jnananjana. And what not. We are preparing for you to experience it. Something extraordinary. Something extraordinary. Just get ready. Just get ready to celebrate. That's all I can say.
Nityananda.